To find your EngageBay API key, you'll need to access your account settings within the EngageBay dashboard. The API key is necessary for integrating your EngageBay CRM with other tools, such as Zapier, which is commonly used for automating business processes. To obtain the key, start by logging into your EngageBay account and navigating to the home screen. From there, click on your profile icon, located at the top right corner, and select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a new menu where you'll find the API and Tracking Code option. Clicking on this will reveal two types of API keys: the JavaScript API key and the REST API key. The REST API key is likely the one you'll need for integrations like Zapier. You can hover over the question mark next to each key to determine which one applies to your specific needs. Once you've identified the correct key, simply click on it and copy it. It's essential to keep your API key secure and not share it with anyone. If you're looking for a straightforward way to find your EngageBay API key, these steps should provide the solution you need.